Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Anna and I do makeup, skincare, and multi-generational family vlogs on my channel. And for those of you who are returning, hey y'all, what's up? So today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I actually wanted to, well, let me recap. So if you guys know, if you don't know, you can tell now. I have locks. I made 2 years locked on November the 17th. So when I was 1 year locked, I was like, I want to dye my locks. I hadn't dyed my hair in years. Like, I went natural and I dyed it a couple of times, but then since I've had locks, I hadn't dyed it. So I was like, I want to dye my hair. So I dyed it like a purple on the tips for my 1 year. It wasn't like super purple, so you could barely see it. But then for my 2 year, I was like, I want to make that a thing. Like, every year I dye my hair. Because of the pandemic, I wasn't able to go get it done, so I tried to dye it myself with like a semi-permanent. I tried to dye the tips, I don't know if you can see it, I tried to dye the tips red. Before this, it was like a brownish color, if you guys have seen in my other videos, so it kind of dyed it a little bit. It gave them like a bronzy kind of tone. Some of them didn't take it all, so I was like, okay, I need to figure out something that it's going to work. So I did a little research, and I hear a lot of people talk about the hair paint wax. So I jumped on the bandwagon and I got some hair paint wax off of Amazon. This is the mofajang hair paint wax. I am really excited to try this. I'm not going to show you guys what color it is just yet. But we are going to see what happens with the hair paint wax and see if I can get a color to stick. So if you guys want to see what color that I choose, stay tuned, but please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I've done a little bit of research. I have my towel because I don't know how messy this is gonna get. Anyways, so I am going to try to do this hair paint wax. It's a temporary hair color. It only stays in until you wash it out. So yeah, I have my towel here that is going to, hopefully if it stains, I hear it doesn't really stain. If it does, it washes out because it's temporary. But I've just got my towel around my neck just in case. And if you are still watching, we're about to reveal the color I'm going to do. So I am going to try red. It looks pink. It's probably more pink than it is red, but it says it's red when I bought it. So yeah, so it's the mofajang. This is like the it's an Asian brand. The little box that it came in, everything is in a different language. It's got a little bit of English on there, but it's the mofajang hair coloring material. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see it. So it looks like this. It looks really pink. It looks more red in person, but it does look pink. So we might have pink hair. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I've got my gloves here because I do hear it gets a little messy. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with my tips just to see what happens. If I like it, then I will probably do the whole thing. So I'm going to get a little bit closer. So let's see what it feels like. So this is what it looks like. It's just like wax. It smells kind of, almost smells kind of cologne-y, but it's wax. So we're just gonna grab, I'm gonna grab one and just see. So I hear you just literally put it on. Oh my God. We out here, guys. We out here, cuz. Okay, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do my whole head this color because no, that is really pink. Holy buckets. All right, yeah, I'm just gonna do the tips. So I'm just gonna have you guys kind of, we'll just go with it. I don't really have much to say about it. I'm just gonna keep going and we're gonna see what we come up with. So yeah, we're just gonna, yeah. Hopefully I get them all. I kind of like it though. The pink is kind of cute.
I like it. It's different.
It is different.
Do it up.
It does smell really cologne-y though, guys. Like, oh my gosh. Good thing it's temporary. I hate it. We just wash it out. But not for a while because I just retwisted my hair, so.
Oh, sorry.
Ah. Don't even. I should have split my hair into sections because, yeah. I don't want to like start working it all the way up my hair and then we end up with all pink hair. That's not the vibe I'm going for. Look, I got it on my face.
The kids are gonna love this.
Yeah, they are. But what's nice about this so far is a little goes a long way, so this will probably last a little bit longer, is what I'm trying to say. I'm basically just going over the part that was already dyed. Like when I tried to dye my hair purple, we had to bleach the ends, so that's why they look like brown, because the color came out and so they look lighter. So I'm just kind of going over that and just kind of ombreing it out a little bit. Like, how do you do this without? Oh my gosh, that's pink. Hello. They lied. It's not red. That is super pink. But it's fun. It brightens up my face a lot. Oh, I keep like putting it on parts that I don't want it to be on. Okay. Oh my god. Can't go back now. Hey, no stopping us now. Y'all, this is gonna last a long time. I haven't even hardly made a dent in the bottle. And I probably could have gone all the way up, but we're not ready for that yet. Oh my god. Yeah, it really makes my eyes look pretty. Maybe pink is the way to go, guys. Okay, well, I can't see the back. We're just gonna grab it and move. I feel like I'm just getting it all on the whole lock in the back because I don't know what I'm doing. I can't see it. This is really hard for the length of locks I have because I can't see the back of my head, so I don't know if I'm getting them or if I'm putting too much on. I didn't really do the tips, I did like half. Some of them are tippy, some of them are probably all. Curious to see what my husband thinks about this. He wants me to do crazy stuff like this though. All right, so I think they're all covered. My sister said that there was only like one that I missed and I think I got it. So we'll see how it turns out after like sleeping on it and stuff. Some of these locks are really thick too, so it's not really grabbing the color like some of the smaller ones are. It's a lot of hair to try to saturate in color. Got them all. Yeah, like this guy right here, he got completely pink. Alright. I can't see the back. I'll show you guys what it looks like though. Does it look saturated? Oh yeah. Alright. So, yeah, we are, I mean, from a distance it looks red, like, oh, she's got red hair slash tips. Like, I pretty much did the whole thing. It just depends on where, because I'm running my hands through it with this glove. So some of them are completely covered. Some of them are just the tips. You put it down the middle. Like, that's not really the middle, but you get the drift. I'm a side part type of gal, so. But I like it, actually. I'm really shocked that I do, because she pink, and I hate the color pink, so, but it is a nice color. Now, we just have to see, uh-oh. Okay, so one thing that I noticed, like if you let it sit, because it dries fast. Like I didn't move that, and it's like on there, but yeah, maybe I should just make that one all pink since it's already in here. Get one pink guy. Oh. See if I would take that step the next time. Now I'm gonna take these gloves off just to see like how dry it actually is. See if I get any transfer. Nope. No transfer, guys. It's dry. There's like nothing hardly. Oh. This is the one I just did. I mean, there's like a little bit, if you can see it. I don't know, the camera with the brightness, it probably won't show it. There's a little bit on my fingers, but it's not a lot. So that's cool. It dries really fast. I don't know if it's because I have locks though, because it, you know, they're really thick, or if it just dries like that normally, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna give you guys one more side view, or one more view. Alright, so that is that. We've got pink, red hair. Okay, as I'm running it through now, yeah, there's transfer. So just be aware of that. It's not super bad, but yeah, you're probably gonna want to sleep with something if you do this at night, just to make sure it doesn't get all over your pillow and stuff. But yeah, that's it, guys. So we've got pink hair, pink, red hair for a while. If you guys want to see me do any colors or have any suggestions of any other colors you'd like me to do, leave it down below. I think they've got like 5 or 6 different colors to try, so I'll definitely be buying some more because this was super easy. And the fact that it is not permanent is even better. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in another one. Peace!